Hello everybody! Thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Charlene Luciano from stampwithshar.com and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the US. Today's Friday, which means it's either a tip or a technique to share today. But I have this great tip to share with you. Did you know that you can emboss using your framelits? Who knew, right? So if you look at my card, I've embossed using my framelits. Beautiful background of butterflies. So I'm going to show you how we do this. I'm going to bring in my Big Shot. And there are a few steps. I'm using an older Big Shot, so I still have this old platform. Now they have changed, so if you do have a newer Big Shot, your sandwiching process may be a little bit different, so you're going to have to play around with that. But I'm using my old one. So you're going to need your platform. You are going to need this thick chipboard, which I took from my paper pumpkin. I just took the backing. I'm using 2 pieces of cardstock. I just cut it in half, and then I'm also using my silicone craft sheet, which is fabulous. This is actually used for glue, but there's so many other things you can use it for too. So what you're going to do is you're going to use your platform. You're going to put your chipboard down. You're going to put 1 piece of cardstock. You're going to put your silicone sheet, you're going to put your other sheet of cardstock, and then the cardstock that you want to emboss. And you're going to put your framelit on there like so. You're going to sandwich this all in, and you're going to run this through your Big Shots. Super cool. If you see, it's just embossed. It hasn't cut my paper or anything. How cool is that? So I hope you enjoyed today's tip. We have so many different framelits that you can use, so the possibilities are endless. Thank you so much for watching my video today. If you did enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. That way you don't miss my next video. If you are in the US and you're interested in purchasing any of the Stampin' Up! Products that I use today, I will have them linked in the description below. I will also have a written detailed description with measurements about today's card over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you, so I hope you'll head on over there and go and have a look. I hope everybody has a wonderful and safe weekend, and happy Easter. We'll see you Monday. Take care.